Yeah, I totally agree with him. Do you know how much hours I have spent scrolling through PDF just to find that one piece of info you ever need?
Bro, have you ever heard of PDF.ai? PDF.ai is an AI powered tool that helps you read, summarize, edit, and interact with your PDFs like never before. Let me show you how easy it is. First, open your Google Chrome or Explorer and search PDF.ai. After doing that, you can sign up or log in using the page given below and start logging in. You can either log in by your Google Chrome Google account or else use your email account and complete the verification process. After you log in, you can select the required PDF file from your laptop file explorer and click on open. Here I have already selected my PDF file, which is the science NCR. Now you can select the required text and summarize the content. You can also change the perspective using the different options given below, and using the magic wand option you can change multiple things. You can upgrade to premium, but I think this is fine as this gives all of the functionalities required.
Wait, does that mean it is ideal for quick overviews of research paper or reports?
Exactly right. Exactly right.
That means it is used for identifying key points instantly. Am I right?
Exactly right. Exactly right. And you can easily share annotated PDFs